Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the page background of your website. So you can change any of the page from your website. You can change the color of the page background basically. So here to start with, I have opened website editor. So as you can see, it is a plain white background. So here if you click anywhere, you can see it gives us the option that you can choose to change the page background. So simply click on this, and as you can see it's currently white, and if you want this blue color, then we have added this blue color here, but right now we'll just simply click to the first one, and because this is not that bright, and as you can see this color has been applied to the whole page, including the header background as well as the footer background, because currently the footer background is set to nothing, and also the header background has no color. So if you want to keep it as it is, you can keep it as it is. But if you want to change the color of the header, then you can simply click on design, and as you can see, it is saying no color. But if you want color, then just scroll below, and you can see these are the colors that you can choose, or you can just choose the and then customize design and change the color as per you want. So right now we will choose the blue color on the this background as well as the center background. So here also I will add the same color. So as you can see now it is constant, but the menu background is white. So we'll also change that color as well. So we'll just set it to 0. So as you can see, it has also taken the blue background of the header. So you can then change the font color after you finalize this color. So right now, just for tutorial purpose, I have added this color. I'm not doing changes to this horizontal menu items of the text. So now let's move to the footer. So you can change this color as well. So right now it is set to no color. Then you can just simply click on the color options given here, like we did. Same thing we did for the header as well. And now you can change the color from here as well. So again we can add the same color that we added to the header, the blue color. As you can see, it has been done in this way. So this is how you can do or change the page background in your website. So I will show you to the other page as well. So right now we will add a new page, and we'll just simply add a blank page for now, and we will not rename it. We'll keep it as it is as a new page. So if you want to change the color of this page, then again go to change page background and click here and change it to white. So as you can see, this page background is white. So this is how you can change the page background of Wix pages or other website in your own way, in your own right particular color. You can choose any of those color and you can add basically. So you can also use this option, the design, and then you can change the color to the center only, or you can just click on no color. So this is the same as the option that we saw in header and footer as well. So right now we will just choose it to white, and I am just showing you so that you can understand it more by clicking on these other options. As you can see, it is set to none, and from here I can change the color. So right now you can see you can do it in this way. I hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.